Sorry guys, I wasn't talking during any of that. I wanted to just show you how I used this Facemade, and it is a Gua Sha massager tool. And it has the jade roller, which is very cold to the touch. You can also stick this in the refrigerator, and it'll be really, really cold. This thing feels amazing, like literally, and it's little right here to go underneath your eyes. And then the Gua Sha, I'm probably not saying that right, is this jade little thing. And you can do it in your cheekbones like I did. And it, if you press hard, it will give you a little bit of redness, but that goes right away. It's just because you're circulating your skin. And you can go up here. And this works really good on legs and back. I had my husband use this last night and my legs feel amazing. It instantly relaxed me. I was able to literally fall asleep a lot easier. It does relieve muscle tension, it relieves fatigue, it makes skin tight and smooth and reduces fine lines. It says to use with beauty oil can better penetrate skincare products, better skin color, tone, and tighten pores. I definitely recommend using it with some kind of elixir, lotion. It just makes everything kind of glide a little bit better. I do this before I do my makeup, and I do this at night. And it's just a way to treat myself and to kind of relax myself a little bit and just kind of really take time out from my skin. You know, skin is very important. It is, you know, something that it's very important, you know, to not age as fast as other people, you know, to keep your skincare good. So that is my review on this. I definitely recommend this. If you don't have one of these, I suggest you get it. I will put the link down below of the company. 10 out, well, I'm throwing things. At least we know it's not breakable. 10 out of 10 for this product. It comes in a nice little box. Everything's prepared. It shows you how to do it, both things. It gives you tips. Yeah, like I said, definitely 10 out of 10. This is something I use twice a day now. I'm in love with it. I love anything skincare, so this is like super new to me. I've never used one of these, and literally you can see how nice my cheekbones look. So yeah, definitely guys, get you one of these.